Team Sonic Flush! Hi, I'm Sonic. And I'm Knuckles. And we're gonna show you what we do when the kids are in school. We are getting in the car. We're on a boat. I'm scared of water. Don't you know that, Knucklehead? Man up, Sonic. Water is just nice. No, it isn't. Duck. There's a duck. There's a duck. Water. So much water. Finally, we're on an island. Sonic has been sleeping the entire time when we were on the island. So we need to go now. Wait, what? Yeah, I'm sorry. Oh, okay. Okay, we're done. Knuckles? What? I think we're kind of late. Late for what? The kids. We need to get the kids from school. Oh. Yeah, I forgot. Okay. We need to go to school. Okay.